The TOPDON AL600 OBD2 Scanner is an exceptional diagnostic tool that reads and clears ABS and SRS fault codes, offering real-time data to assist with repairs. This scanner is equipped with 3 essential reset services, allowing users to manage oil light, battery management system, and steering angle position with ease. It provides comprehensive OBD2 functions, including engine system tests, live data monitoring, and smog test readiness, making it a versatile tool for most post-1996 vehicles. The built-in DTC LookUp Library offers code definitions and diagnostic tips, saving users valuable time and effort in identifying and fixing issues. Designed with user convenience in mind, the scanner features durable black rubber grips, an intuitive menu, and 3 shortcut keys for quick access to common functions. The TOPDON AL600 OBD2 Scanner comes with a lifetime of free updates, a 1-year warranty, and multilingual support, ensuring a worry-free purchase and ongoing reliability.